Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool, amazing power right here. It is insane. Basically what this is an acupressure that's used to help relieve any kind of like stress, pain, or whatever case may be. So something that they mention on here is for pain relief, stress relief, and you guys can use it for like headaches, back and neck pain relief, or just basically to help you relax your body and mind, and it's supposed to help with circulation as well on your body. So I actually never used one of these before, and I saw it's pretty interesting, so I went and tried it out and see whether or not it's actually worth it and how to actually use it. So for the one that we got right here, it's from the brand right here, but they do have other similar products out there in the market as well that you can go check out and try. But this is the one that I got. And if you turn on the back side right here, it kind of tell you guys how to actually use the power right here. So there's like a beginner, there's the intermediate, advanced. So if you guys never really done this before, you want to start as a beginner first and slowly build your way up. And what they recommend for beginners is to like put this onto like a chair or like a floor or something and work your tolerance up to that level of where the advanced level is. And they recommend to use it for like 10 to 15 minutes and slowly like get used to it first. But let's open up the product first to show you guys what it actually looks like, and then we're gonna test it out. So when we first open the product itself, this is basically what it looks like right here. So it's nicely wrapped and everything. But let's take it out first. So in the product itself, they do provide you guys an instruction manual to teach you guys how to use it and everything. So when you guys open up the product, you guys want to be careful for that pokey part right there, the sharp part right there. So right here is the pillow part right here. So you just want to lay on it, but you guys want to be really careful because it is kind of like sharp in a way. So I'll put this on one side first. Next we have the actual mat itself right here. So they have the logo right there, and it says pain-free, stress-free living. This is what the mat looks like, as you can see. So if you guys are not used to it and you guys sit on it or lay on it, you can definitely see how it's going to be painful for you guys. So you definitely want to get used to it first. But this is basically what the product looks like here. And the front side, the back side, and kind of like up close. I'll show you guys how sharp the actual product is or how pokey it is. The inside right here, if you guys open it up, that's what the inside looks like right there. I think if I like this a lot, I'll probably go for like a memory foam one, because I saw there was a memory foam type of like acupressure mat like this. So I think what I'm gonna do right now is just put this behind me on this chair and just kind of like lay on it and get used to that feeling first. So I just want to put this behind me right here, and then we're just gonna lay on it. And when you guys use this product, you guys don't want to slam your back into it. You guys want to slowly like lay on it so that way you guys don't hurt yourself. So I think right now I'm wearing like a jacket, so it doesn't really feel too much of it, but I can definitely feel like a little bit of the I guess like sharpness, if you want to say that, but it definitely feels pretty good so far. I think it's more effective if you guys just wear like a t-shirt or something underneath, so that way it can feel a lot more. Or maybe if you guys just lay on like the ground on the mat itself, it feels a lot better as well. So once you guys fully set up, this is basically what it should look like, and you just have to lay down on it for roughly around 10 to 15 minutes. And you should definitely feel the after effects and everything of using it, which should definitely feel really good in terms of pain relief, stress relief, and also improved circulation as well. So just lay on it for like 15 minutes or like 10 to 15 minutes should be good. And just don't move around, just lay on it. You should feel like the pressure on both your back, lower back, upper back, and also on your head as well. So you guys have the pillow right here. Like definitely right now when I use it, I can feel like the lower back area worked out a lot, and definitely a lot in my head as well. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product itself where I used it on the chair here and also on the mat on the floor. You guys can definitely see that it actually works, but you guys can't feel it unless you guys have one of these. For me, honestly, I actually like this a lot. I can see how this could be really helpful for people who are like in stress or pain or something, or if you guys want to improve your circulation, this can definitely be really useful. I feel like using one of these is pretty cool, but if you guys get like the memory foam one, that one definitely will feel a lot better because it's more comfortable, and I guess that kind of like memory foam material will probably feel a lot better when you guys use one of these acupressure mats. Same thing for the pillow as well. But definitely after trying it for like a first-hand perspective and everything, to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not, for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that these are worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially like I mentioned, if you guys want to improve circulations, kind of relieve any kind of like pain or stress, then these are definitely really worth it. And it's so easy to kind of bring it with you guys anywhere. Like it's so portable, you guys can just fold it back up just the way how they gave it to you like that. And same thing for the pillow, and just bring it with you guys if you guys are traveling somewhere, whether it be on a plane or something. I'm not too sure if they'll let you guys bring this on a plane, but if you guys bring it with you guys traveling on a road trip, you guys can definitely bring this with you guys on a road trip though. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.